Hello everyone, happy November 18th. Today we celebrate Mickey Mouse, princesses, and the joy of imagination. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's Mickey Mouse Day, celebrating the iconic character's debut in 1928. A great gift could be a Mickey-themed mug, a vintage cartoon print, or a Disney trivia game. What's your favorite Mickey moment? Let's animate the comments. Next, it's National Princess Day, honoring royalty, fantasy, and inner strength. A thoughtful gift could be a Tiara craft kit, a princess storybook, or a royal affirmation card set. Who's your favorite princess? Let's sparkle in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's Apple Cider Day, a cozy celebration of crisp fall flavors. A sweet gift could be a cider mix set, a cinnamon stick bundle, or a rustic mug. Hot or cold? Let's sip through the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for December 16th to 20th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.